Today, you are going to take action towards becoming a millionaire. We are going to walk through the process of opening an investment account so that you can start investing in the stock market and building wealth. Because in less than 5 minutes, in the amount of time it takes to open up a Netflix account, to buy something on Amazon, to spend money, you are going to learn how to open up a brokerage account. And in the process, I am also going to share with you my favorite investment for investors just starting out. In fact, if you are a veteran investor, this is an amazing investment. So sit back and join me over the next 5 minutes while we open up your first brokerage account. So today we are going to be opening an account at Fidelity Brokerage. Now, we could have picked a number of different brokerages. We could have picked Vanguard, Schwab, but today we're opening an account with Fidelity. We have an account with Fidelity, and in fact, we have an account with Vanguard and with Schwab. And so without further ado, let's get started opening a Fidelity brokerage account. So step one, go to fidelity.com. Now, Fidelity is one of the largest and most trusted investment companies, and opening a new account with them is easy. It can take only a few minutes. So you're on the home page and look for the Open an Account button. Usually it's on the left-hand side. So click that to get started. Now this brings us to step two. After clicking on Open an Account, you'll be asked what type of account you want to open. So choose Brokerage Account, which is a standard account for investing in stocks and funds. Once you click on this, it's going to ask you to fill out your personal information. So your name, address, email. You will need your social security number for identity verification. So just keep that in mind because you want to have this information ready when you start to fill out the form. So once you've filled out all that personal information and clicked enter, Fidelity is going to verify your information. Now that is only going to take a couple of seconds. It may take up to a minute, but it's going to be really, really fast. At that point, once it's verified, your account is opened. So now that your brokerage account is open, this brings us to step three, linking your bank account to this brokerage account so that you can fund your investments. Now, Fidelity will prompt you to connect a checking or a savings account. You can do this securely by either logging into your bank account through their secure portal or by manually entering your bank routing and account number. This process just verifies that you own the bank account. It's quick and often just a minute or two. So once linked, your bank account will show up as an available funding source for your Fidelity account. So this brings us to step four, funding your account. With your bank linked, you're ready to add money to your Fidelity account. Think about how much you want to start investing. Now keep in mind, there's no minimum to start investing with Fidelity. You could invest as little as 1 cent, whatever works for you. So on Fidelity's site, go to the transfer or add funds section. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer into your new brokerage account. You can do a one-time transfer, which usually takes a day or two. And if you're in a hurry, Fidelity also has a wire transfer service, which allows the funds to show up instantly into your account. But there is a fee for that. And on the other hand, the transfer is free. Now this brings us to step number 5, the most important step where you actually start to buy your investments within your account. And so this brings us to our top pick when it comes to index funds at Fidelity. And it is a total stock market index fund, FZROX. You see, this is an index fund that gives you ownership of the entire US stock market in one fund. So in your Fidelity account, go to the trading section and use the search bar to find FZROX. Once you pull it up, click buy and enter the dollar amount you want to invest in. For example, if you've transferred in $500, you might want to invest the full $500 or a portion of it into FZROX. Now, what's special about this index fund is that it has no fees. It has a 0% expense ratio, and there's no minimum to invest. So every dollar you put in it actually works for you. Next, you'll review your order and submit the buy button. Congratulations, you have just bought your first investment. So that's it. In less than 5 minutes, you have opened an investment account and you have started investing, building wealth. You are well on your way to becoming a millionaire. Now, if you want to learn more about investing, check out our stock market investing course for financial independence. It is a 4-hour course that digs a lot deeper into investing in the stock market. As a part of that course, you'll also devise your own investment plan. If you're interested, we'll leave a link in the description, or you can go to ourrichjourney.com and check out the course. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. I hope that it's giving you food for thought, but most of all, I hope that it inspires you to take action. If you are not investing in the stock market, if you do not have a brokerage account, here are the 5 steps that you can follow to get started. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey. We are going to walk through the process of opening an investment account so that you can start investing in the stock market and building wealth. Because unless